actually pretty steep right here. Definitely got my heart rate up. So excited, I figured I gotta go up the rest of the way. It's always easier coming down. Very sandy soil. Oh, wow. Have a hard time breathing, but that is where that one cable tow dropped people off. At the very top there, that was really steep. But you can see that's the top of the cable, and you would get on the lift down there, come up, then you could ski down here and then go back down to where Murray is, where I just walked up. That's a huge tree right here. Last time I was here, I think I was walking up over here somewhere. This is so cool. I see a ski trail down there. That's pretty well. Man, it's amazing how much better you can see everything in the springtime before everything's grown up. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the last time I was here, I was right down there, but that's where the lift came up with the cable tow. It dropped you off right up there at the top. That's where I was telling the story about Murray and his dad working on the bull wheel that was up there. Looking down here, not sure how well this will show up on the video, but I mean, it's really, you can see a trail coming down here. And obviously continuing on down here, and that goes back down towards the bottom of the hill where we just were. And then right down here is like an intersection. So the one trail comes this way, and then you can see where it looks like another trail went up that way. So this is definitely the best time of year to be up here for looking at the trails. I better get back down to the bottom of the hill. You're probably wondering where I went. I couldn't help it. So excited. I want to run up every one of these